talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Fun Getaways. I want to do a very quick little review with you. Ordered these little packing cubes from Amazon, and they just came in today, and I wanted to show you what they look like right now. I'm kind of impressed with them. They have a little travel on there. Each cube tends to be pretty good quality. I like the ones that had the little straps on the inside, so if you order them, make sure they have these, because once you put your clothes in, you can pull that and it helps give you more space. I also like the ones that have the mesh, not that plastic topping, more of the mesh material. They tend to last a little longer. And then these here, you can see they have little labels of which ones you can what you could put in each one. This one says a wash bag. Also, it's kind of thick quality. I'm kind of surprised because I thought they would be kind of flimsy, but very thick so far. They also came with this little bag here. I guess it's just a, for women, I like to put my personal hygiene in this so no one can see what's in there. This is one of the bigger cubes. Then it also came with, I think this may be a shoe. I think, yeah, this is where you put your shoes in right here. Again, pretty good quality. This is more for your dirty clothes. If you're just doing a short trip, shorts, stuff like that. This looked like it's another little bag. I'm not sure what this is for, but it came with it. I'm pretty sure we can find something. This is another small cube, smaller cube. And then this is the medium-sized one. And it also has a little handle, because I do love that when I'm going in and have the shelves. You put them up. I don't necessarily, for me, I don't know about you guys, I don't unpack my suitcase and put clothes in the storage rooms. I normally like to keep everything in my cube, and so I know which one to go to. Maybe one has swimsuits, one has workout clothes. And then it also came with this here, which I was looking for. My other packing cubes didn't have, that you can hang in the bathroom, especially if you're, in a hotel room on a cruise. This is really good to have as well. And then it came with one more, and I think this may be for your undergarments, which I thought was really nice. So far, I think, and it has a little travel on it. I don't know if it can focus in. I'm really impressed with the quality. Also on each one, it says little travel. I'm liking these so far that I previously ordered, which I still love. I love these so much. They were kind of cute, but they don't feel as thick as the ones I just ordered. And as you can see, they have a little pull-in, which I like to have inside of them, and it's still the mesh too. They still have done, the only thing about the one here, it had a very larger one I could put all my clothes in, all my travel fits, and I might still use this one because of that, because this one is not as large. That's the only downfall to this little set. It didn't give you a very large one like the other one. This is my little Disney bag. As you can see, I have a lot in this cube. I have my swimsuits, I have shirts, I have shorts. And this material this is the brand of this one. I don't know if it's gonna, there you go, focus. This one still has a little handle on it. But if I wanted just to add on, I think these would be good additions. So that is my quick little review. I feel like this may be a good buy. I will try to put this in the descriptions for you. But yeah, I just got my new little cube set here, and I think I like them. If you have any comments, please leave a comment in below. And if you like this video, please give it a big like.